Anyway, you know go on that term.
Me want no man. Yeah. I look like you that give up life through you just sign the liquor.
Yeah. Me that give up what?
Yeah, life.
My life? My life important more than all of you guys, you know.
Yeah, you know, says a long time I do a Johnny video. King Johnny. Johnny be good boy. So I found a few memes or video or video memes, whatever you want to call it. Johnny at work and Johnny responds. So I'll be reading what the manager said and then Johnny gonna respond to what the manager said. Remember, it's a meme, you know, and a me, a Johnny manager. No. But before we get into the laughter and the fun part of it, beg you like the video for me, please. By liking the video, yeah, help me defeat, beat up YouTube algorithm so they can recommend my video and more people can watch and enjoy it, which makes me happy and make everybody happy because everybody get a laugh. Anyways, so the first video, manager, can you tell us why you hate it here? Here's Johnny respond.
And later on when me go home, me uncomfortable. Because me know so once me say what me gonna say now, I appear grumbling and bumbling and stumbling behind my back. I know that. I know that.
So basically Johnny cannot say why he hate it here. Me understand Johnny, enough how we feel the way. That's why I'm working for myself. Here the next meme now. So the manager, when are your vacation days, King Johnny? Here Johnny explain.
Yeah, will be coming up February. It's gonna fall pan. Is it actually 11th? But the 11th gonna fall pan the Monday. But me have to pull it back to the 9th, which gonna be the Saturday before the 11th. Yeah.
If you understand what Johnny just explained, leave it in the comment section. Me kinda understand, but hey, man, Johnny be good boy. Manager, the company needed you. I guess needed you for the weekend and your day off, and you know the manager call it, hey, I know it's a day off, but can you come in? Here what Johnny said now.
No, don't tell me that, don't tell me that. Don't bring that to me. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. Yo.
I care if company need me. Me need my rest, me need my day off. Go on about in the business. Call Susie who love work. Here the manager again. Are you sure you can't work this weekend?
For me, me not supposed to talk more than one time, sir.
Right.
One time me supposed to say it. And don't tell me say, you're going to book work. And me used to put that this out. So the book work come after when he say.
Johnny just explained. Him not coming in for the weekend, brother. Don't ask him that again. You hear that? Manager, we found out that you are looking for other jobs.
Them too. No, me not bash them like that. Me don't do that. Me don't do that. Me tell you, me use myself as prime example. Me come here, and me come here, me do me thing, hold me own, and see me still survive. See me survive.
I lie them I tell pan Johnny. Johnny not looking no job. Johnny is satisfied in a dead-end job right here. Right here is where Johnny love to work. Lies, Johnny, I look other jobs. I would too. Would you? Manager, we cannot pay you this month. What? After me put in all that hard work, you can't pay me this month? Let's see what Johnny has to say about that.
No, you see those things that create chaos in the system. Me say that create war in the old dam.
World War III. If you ever tell Johnny say you don't pay him this month, you're crazy. Fuck out the money, man. I guess that's the end of the memes. How do you like it? Comment and let me know which are the work meme, Johnny meme video made you laugh the most. Anyways, we have one more video here, and this is Johnny and Bada Cat. You know Johnny and Bada Cat combination. No normal.
We say anything possible.
Yeah. So you love money.
Why you go and look her? And the work you like her or the money you want?
So you love money.
Then no money maintain me. And money maintain me, you know.
And the same money will maintain you. I go cost to life at some point, right?
With life cost, sometimes we are without money.
Okay,
so
fine.
Why not looking money?
True.
Okay. Yes, regardless of where a man might make you try to think, say boy,
money
it's not all about the money. The money is not a lie.
Me I go there without money.
Yeah.
What me I go do without money?
Tell.
Oh, me I go live without money. You can take your life now, put her one place where you can live without money.
No.
You cannot do that.
No, you can't do that.
So why not go and take the job? And the job will pay money, it'll pay good money. Me not sign up for that, you know.
No, when you fly plane and ship, you sign up for that.
You sign up if death come.
No, you don't sign up for you sign up for the job. But if death come, that's a part of the contract. But that doesn't mean I have to honor it.
No.
No, because my life is more important than any contract. My life is more important than any contract.
Come and take it.
Anyway, you know go from that term.
Me want no man. I look like you that give up life through you just sign the liquor.
Me that give up what?
Yeah, lie.
Me don't give up what? Hey, when you include Johnny in a conversation certain way, Johnny just simply take away himself. But this a money conversation and I tell no lie. It's sweet. So we gonna continue to listen and laugh some more and hear what Johnny have to say. What kind of rebuttal Johnny gonna come with now? Cause he always have one, two or few. One or few. Or more.
My life important more than all of you guys, you know.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Yeah, no problem.
Well, it can't up to you and your friend.
It's up to you.
I'm going to give up my life, you know, for certain reason, you know. And let's make this straight and let's be realistic about this conversation. And we can break it down. Now, as a parent and as a man, we have him youths them. When we want to the best for my youths them. If me sign up for pilot work, like what you were saying, I know it's a life and death situation. See? But me know say, it is guaranteed that if I passed away, my youth and my two seeds that when I left, have millions funeral. I wouldn't have much fear. Not gonna say I would have no fear, I would still have fear because our life is the most important thing. But I wouldn't have much fear. I would more rather willing to take that chance. Yeah.
What if one of the night, you see? You hear like a stumbling out of your animal them there.
When my animal
Yeah. So when you look out, you see two men with two guns and move with your biggest bull cow. You go out there.
Yeah. What a question. What a clear question. Talk.
No. A simple question. Because what you say, I'm in my aquarium. I'm here stumbling. I'm a peep to me people. Me say, you and your friend them. And your friend them.
Right.
I'm moving my animal there. But you don't know, you and your friend them don't know. Me have my big AK in it.
We don't know.
Never step out. Because you in my zone. That's the answer me again.
No, even if you...
Hey, the reason you're nice enough, man, I can't stop laugh, but that's a valid question. Because a lot of people say, hey, yeah, me not give up my life, put my job in front of my life, me not put money in front of my life. We do it all so often. Because just by walking on the street, you're taking a risk. Just by going in your car as a taxi man, you're taking a risk. Just by flying on a plane as a passenger, you're taking a risk. You're not earning when you're flying to go to your destination. No, you're not. The pilot is right. This man says so. Johnny, if he go there, he's risking his life, but the benefit is going to be great because he's gonna protect his farm animals, kill the gunman them, and he's gonna have his farm animal them to sell and provide for himself and his family. So life is a give and take. You risk something, but you have to know when you cut off point and when not to risk certain things. But anyways, let's continue.
See that the odds is against you because when you peep through your people, a 5 man you see out there with machine or 1 machine you have and you alone. Remember, would you still take a chance to go out there for 1 cow?
But here the position where me put
answer me now.
For instance, you don't have a machine.
Hold on,
you don't have a machine.
Hold on. No. Alright, we can bring it.
You don't have a machine.
Me AK.
No, hold on, man. Him have a machine. We are bringing it to the scenario. We are bringing it to film scenario. You have a machine. You have a machine.
Me AK.
Yeah, you have your AK.
But hold on,
you peep to your people.
Yeah.
You say 5 man, I'm over there, bull cow, with 5 at machine. You don't have a backup. Would you step out there with your AK?
What type of machine them have?
It no matter what time.
No.
It could be handgun. It could be a little handgun. It could be 538 special. It could be 538 special, but 5 man strap. You have an AK. You are going to step out there for the cow?
No. In the
Answer me, no, man.
hold on, me answer in my way now. Don't
No, in your way. Yes or no?
Don't force
You
that
can't
for me.
answer one yes or no blood clot question one time. One time, man.
Sure, man. One time, man. Yes or no?
Yeah, one time.
Where
Yes
you
or
there?
no? Would you step out there with the
hold
AK?
on. You want me to answer say no and for you to satisfy.
Me no want you answer
yes,
truthfully. Why you
Yeah, you
answer
can't
truthfully?
say
Say me go come out to my machine.
Yo, come out.
That me say. Because them in my zone.
Hey, the ambulance are going on police. A little piece of video nice. Me not telling a lie, man. Me not telling a lie. Where recite there? Recite I come tomorrow on the Bother Cat video, so make sure you tune in. But anyways, Johnny say I step out with the tall thing, cause him have the advantage. Him a see them not see him. Them a see him cow, and I concentrate on stealing his cow. So I'm gonna pie them. Yeah, man, and if you stop thief people cow, man, I'm good. I'm gonna look work. Dirty boy, drunk, germs, crablos. Anyways, hope you like the video. If you did, share the video, like it, leave a comment in the comment section, you know. And yeah, thanks for being here. I appreciate all you guys watching. Again, YouTube, give me a fight, so I appreciate you guys watching the video. Stay safe. God bless.